This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, Arifur is here and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this lecture, I will discuss with you about HTML Subscript tag. The HTML sub element defines subscript. Here you can see coding mode. You can also see browsing view. Now push this video and look very carefully in the coding mode and browsing view. This is a simple HTML subscript tag. If you look very carefully in the subscript tag, you can see here subscript tag start and here subscript tag close. You have to input the text in the middle of the subscript tag. In my next lecture, I will show you how to use HTML subscript tag. See you guys in the next lecture.